The Book of Psalms, chapter 68. Elohim arises, his enemies are scattered, and those who hate him flee before him. As smoke is driven away, you drive them away. As wax melts before the fire, the wrong perish before Elohim. But the righteous are glad, they exult before Elohim, and they rejoice with gladness. Sing to Elohim, sing praises to his name. Raise up a highway for him, who rides through the deserts by his name, Yah, and exult before him. Father of the fatherless and right ruler of widows is Elohim in his set-apart dwelling. Elohim makes a home for the lonely. He brings out into prosperity those who are bound with chains. Only the rebellious shall dwell in a dry land. O Elohim, when you went out before your people, when you stepped through the wilderness, Selah. The earth shook and the heavens dropped before Elohim. This Sinai shook before Elohim, the Elohim of Yasharel. You, O Elohim, sent a shower of plenty. You confirmed your inheritance when it was weary. Your flock dwelt in it. You provided from your goodness for the poor, O Elohim. Yahweh gave the word. The woman who proclaimed it was a great company. Sovereigns of armies flee in haste. And she who remains at home divides the spoil. If you lie down among the sheepfolds, the wings of a dove are covered with silver, and her pinions with yellow gold. When the Almighty scattered sovereigns in it, it did snow in Salmon. A mountain of Elohim is the mountain of Bashan. A mountain of peaks is the mountain of Bashan. O mountain of peaks, why do you gaze in envy at the mountain which Elohim desired to dwell in? Yahweh even dwells there forever. The chariots of Elohim are 20,000, thousands of thousands. Yahweh came from Sinai into the set-apart place. You have ascended on high. You have led captivity captive. You have received gifts among men, and even the rebellious, that Yah Elohim might dwell there. Blessed be Yahweh. Day by day he bears our burden, the El of our deliverance, Selah. Our El is the El of deliverance, and to Yahweh the Master belong escapes from death. Indeed, Elohim smites the head of his enemies, the hairy scalp of him who walks about in his guilt. Yahweh said, I bring back from Bashan, I bring back from the depths of the sea, so that you plunge your foot in blood, that the tongues of your dogs have their portion from the enemies. They have seen your goings, O Elohim, the goings of my El, my sovereign, into the set-apart place. The singers went in front, the players on instruments after them. Among them were the young women playing tambourines. Bless Elohim in the assemblies, Yahweh from the fountain of Yasharel. There is Benjamin, the smallest, their ruler, the leaders of Yehudah, their company, the leader of Zebulun, the leader of Naphtali. Your Elohim has commanded your strength. Be strong. O Elohim, this you have worked out for us. Because of your Hekal at Jerusalem, sovereigns bring presents to you. Rebuke the wild beasts of the reeds, the herds of bulls with the calves of the peoples, each one humbling himself with pieces of silver. Scatter the peoples who delight in conflicts. Ambassadors come out of Mitzrayim. Cush stretches out her hand to Elohim. Sing to Elohim, you reigns of the earth. Praise to Yahweh, Selah. To him who rides on the ancient highest heavens. See, he sends out his voice, a mighty voice. Ascribe strength to Elohim. His excellence is over Yasharel, and his strength is in the clouds. O Elohim, awesome from your set-apart places, the El of Yasharel is he who gives strength and power to his people. Blessed be Elohim.